What is your name? What is your name? Menene sunanka? Menene sunanka? That's if you are referring to a male. But if it is a female, it should be menene sunanki? Sunanki, female. Male, sunanka. So, menene sunanka? My name is Idris. My name is Idris. My name is Idris. Sunana Idris. Sunana Idris. Idris. Where are you from? Where are you from? Daga ina kake? You are referring to a male. Daga ina kake? If it is a female, daga ina kike? Daga ina kike? I am from Nigeria. I am from Nigeria. Daga Najeriya nake. Daga Najeriya nake. Daga Najeriya nake. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Naji daɗin haɗuwa da kai. That's male. Naji daɗin haɗuwa da ke if you are referring to female. So this is the only thing that changed between male and female here. Naji daɗin haɗuwa da kai, male. Naji daɗin haɗuwa da ke, that's female. So don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe to me in this video.